Give you my high protein cereal recipe. And if you're looking for extra ways to get that protein in, this recipe is for you. Okay, so first I take my yogurt. I love sheep yogurt, but you really can use any yogurt. Sheep yogurt is just wonderful flavor, but it's also great for those that can't tolerate, lactose. Okay, so I get about a cup of that, and then a scoop of our LiveGood chocolate whey protein powder. So I mix that in. So already I just got 10 grams of protein, and then I added the 20 grams that are in the protein powder, and just mix it up until it becomes this like chocolatey, delicious mix. And this is so good. This can be used for breakfast, for a snack, but my favorite, because it is so delicious, I have it for dessert. Okay, so once it's pretty mixed up in there, so you get no chalkiness from the protein powder. And then I'm gonna take a serving of my favorite cereal, but again, you can use any crunchy cereal. The point is just to have that texture, right, that nice crunch. So add it in there, and then top it off with a few raspberries, and there it is. So I just added 30 grams of protein very easily as a wonderful, in my books, dessert.